Tragedy in St. Thomas following heavy rains. The teens washed away by flood waters found dead. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Nadine McLeod.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the trail of destruction in St. Thomas and Portland after the rain.
Reckless. Finance Minister blasts former administration about how it spent taxpayers' money.
Who should replace Dr. Omar Davies as South St. Andrew MP? His constituents weigh in.
In business news, another increase in fuel prices this week.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced a raft of new NHG benefits for low-income earners. So we're asking, do you think the changes will help to increase home ownership among the lower income groups?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after these messages.